We are standing in front of our 2019 Nautique G25. This boat's got the white hull with victory red sides and the white accent. Red and white tower. Back of the boat, we have the award-winning Nautique surf system, and we have this boat optioned with the Nautique steering assist. It's a great option for maneuvering the boat for docking or trailering your boat. So we step up on the back of the boat, a nice transom cooler here, insulated for your drinks, stereo remote control, nice sea-deck lined walkway, making climbing in and out of the boat super easy. Wraparound seating. This boat holds 19 people. Nice pad here for stepping in and out of the boat. Got 4 JL Audio 8.8 speakers. The awesome Roswell board racks. You can easily shift the seating. Underneath the passenger seat, plenty of storage, 15-inch sub garbage can, which can be accessed right here. While we're over here, here's your battery switch, really easy to use. Got the helm here. Great spot for your phone. Got USB plug-ins. Got your nice helm control here, changing things on the fly. Great ski mirror. Got the door here to block off air on a cool or hot day. Armrests. Plenty of room up here. 6 cup holders and more sea-deck lined compartments. So we move it back. Got your in-pour cooler here, which is also an insulated compartment. Subfloor ballast, so we have true storage throughout the boat. A battery charging system, and in the back of the boat, hooks for life jackets, ropes, anything you want to keep organized. Layered on this side, and then access to your 550 supercharged motor. That is our Victory Red 2019 Nautique G25.